Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV you reach, yes.
Him, but I realize say I still want him close to me where I can cook for him. I can't do the things them because it's not a. I remember one Christmas, I did there, I'm a cook and thing, and you know, him come around and I said to him, say, him a fatigue me about sex. And I said to him, say, I don't have time for that or whatever and thing. Which, me now come out to him and tell him, say, Ray, you know, me never be the bigger person for talk to him, for tell him, say, you know, say, from such and such, I got a quote and whatever and thing there is like, Ray. No, because here why I never did I be clear with him. I think the fact say he made a give me money and the money did still nice me, even though whatever and thing I go find out, get the perk them and so. For sure, you know, sometimes we're too greedy and sometimes a lot of material things will lead us astray. Listen. And remember, I click the Facebook live because them time that Facebook I do it. And so I click the Facebook live, and when I click the Facebook live, I say, him dead and him dead. I fatigue me with him foot. And me I say, so me I tell about yourself, where you come and fatigue me for and whatever and thing. And so, just build no man. Out of the blues, me hear the brother say, tell the people them say you give me AIDS. Yes, when him said that, I stuck, but pause, because I say I can't believe that him said that all time out. And thing, I say, in my head, I say, oh yeah, terms here something for me, and then remember now, oh Batman stay, them judgmental, and you know, who did for scream grab it, who did for run with it, them run with it and them share it up, and whatever and thing. And me I tell you so that video go viral. If someone don't know me, would have know that video there and thing. That video actually go viral, and the viral where the video go viral, me I tell you so that motivate me so much for go do nursing. That is how me this enroll in nursing school, get acceptance to nursing school, did I do nursing job and something. Come I left Germany, come America, never got the people them school me did for start. Within 3 days before I come America. Me assure you know. Tell me God, I know. God. And me I tell you say the come where America and so I learn so much where every day I'm there America, I tell myself say America not for me. Me don't know what me I do here so and thing, but I tell myself one thing I tell myself say I now go back and my yard broke. Because I don't believe in a left go somewhere, give up your furniture, give up everything, work and everything, and then go back home broke and live off a government thing there. Yeah, it up that don't make no sense. And me I tell you say when him say that, it kill my feelings from him now. Numb from him now. I don't want to see him. Nothing. I don't want a lot and part to do with him. I not even bother want to help him for marry him, for give him the paper and thing. Family them at Jamaica, everybody start calling now, Ray, te. I true this, true that, me if I explain and say nothing no go so whatever and thing, you know one thing. You know, me I tell my truth. And you know my sister they encourage me and thing. Uncle think person, me never think them. I think maybe my mother did hear, but I always never want my mother hear, you know, my saga them or go on and say if I fight or anything because she put things on her head too much. I don't know if I show me the last one. Alright then. Share the story then now. We are come over America now. I'm going a little bit of Germany and me with that incident there and thing. And for all of the people them were concerned if family have AIDS, family have HIV. Next week I for do one blood work at the doctors. And I feel like say if I go do the blood work as much as I dip on the prep, and if the doctor tell me I'm positive or I'm negative, I feel like I go throw it up and share it with uno. Yeah, because here I live, I learn, and I realize say a whole heap of things cannot break me unless me want it to break me. And yes, it's true, because I'm blessed, I'm go through so much in life, so much hardship, so much fight. When I say people cannot get the best of me unless me build it to my standard and make the best of me. That are one thing women afraid that if I catch it a morning, I may tell you, I'm going to swear, I'm going to take a oath for my mother's life again. Because anytime I not run with oath, I'm going to run mother joke and thing. And thing. For my mother's life, I swear, if me, Fambo, bless, let me give you my government name. If me, Keen Johnson, have HIV, no shame no in my game with that, because I never born with that. So I must either fuck and catch it from somebody, because I'm not born with it. Right? Alright now. We're getting at it now with the host enemy, you know. For the individual wanna know, I'm always the post I'm send for me car come America from Jamaica. Friend, I tell you for black them, that's why I give moderator. I'm not look no likes or something, I'm not look nothing them more, I'm talk the truth. And whatever now. So for the individual who wanna know, I'm not call them name. I'm not call them name over here so for no clout. Because you see after the live here, I'm gonna tell you say I always be Fambo. I am friend. Okay, good. I'm gonna always be the person who I am, and you can't stop me from helping nobody else come a foreign and thing. But you make me miss a day pay, which was today. You locked me up yesterday for no reason. You press charge and you take out a restraining order. You take out a full restraining order against me and thing. But me go tell you this. Me go tell you this. I'm gonna tell you this. You see the road that you gonna walk on in America. When me, Fambo, do it with the kindness of my heart, help you come here, I want you walk on it straight. I want you walk on the straight road. Yeah? I'm not going to wish no badness for you. I'm not going to wish none for your family them. I'm going to talk it already and I can talk it again. You see, for one time when me are pre-evil, me I tell you, say, this morning, a lot of people would have wake up and hear a whole heap of sad news. Because you see what I like, you see what I not like for myself, I not like it for others. I'm not going to do it to nobody else. Right? But there's a God when me believe in and there's a God when me serve. When me call upon, when time I wake up, when time I go to my bed, when time me in my darkest of troubles, I him call upon. And anybody out there, and so I not even call a name or whatever, and I'm an influencer do this, me go tell yourself to do it and do it to your best of your ability. And make the best fighter win. Alright. I met you last year August, I can remember, I met you on Instagram. You, Mr. Sorry. And when I met you, everything did alright. And you know, based on your story, me decide to me go help you, because you did live with somebody a Montego Bay, and you tell me say the person who ill treat you, the person I tell you to leave, the person who do this, the person who do that. And you see true, I know how Batman trouble with them bottom, them mouth, them cocky, like myself, yeah, and thing. I look into myself, because anything I do, I not just do it for clout. I not do it for clout, and I not do it for hype. I do it for the goodness of my heart. I look into myself and I say, you know, I got help that youth, yeah. I'm gonna help you, but me not gonna help you for no love. You know why I'm not gonna help you for no love? Cause me didn't know so that day ya come. But me never know so I say it that will come. Me did know so that day ya come. My cousin did know so that day ya come. My sister did know so that day ya come. My friend them did know so that day ya come. And thing. Because me did one, but here one. Me not like, me will ask somebody them opinion, just to hear what them say, but none mean say, me go listen what they have to say and work with their opinion, cause here I have a mind of my own. But sometimes, look at advice is better than none. And me help you come here, all the way, Mexico, Farmer, Jamaica, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Tijuana. From Tijuana, the cartel them, how much I pay them? $400. From cartel them to San Diego. From San Diego, you go Louisiana in a detention center. When you come, can't come out of detention center. Stress me out for over 2 months. They stay in a New York, yeah. Fambo run up and down, get lawyer. Fambo run up and down, get this. Fambo run up and down, get that, just to get you out of detention center. And when you come out of detention center, and thing, at that time I start she true colors. And I know why you're coming from my life. Cause as I then the line, I go block and delete you. Cause you see the lock where you lock me up. And the restraining order where you get with some of them, that's why I'm not call your name. You don't have no more lock up I do. You don't have no more restraining order I do. And thing. But just know say you're dead to Fambo. And thing. You're dead to me, but I now wish bad for you. I wonder if you listen to me and say, more you listen keenly. You come. Some things we're not going to even talk, and we're not going to go in a depth and thing. You come, and I realize say, you wasn't the cup of tea. And as what you say, you realize say, me wasn't the cup of Milo. Fine. To each his own. Yeah. And every time Jack will go be for Jill, and every time Jill will go be for Jack. As what Quincy would have say, respect me. But me go show the people them the type of person who you are. You see, for Jada you're dead tonight. Sorry for calling him, so I'm not calling him. I want you to utilize the time there. I want you to learn some morals. I want you to teach you some common sense, because that's the way you're lacking on. A whole heap. You're giddy-headed. You're very giddy-headed. And I soon touch upon the allegation with the AIDS, with the HIV argument and something. Cause remember, you know, we're gonna go down the road, you know. But we are going by it step by step. Cause remember, say you tell me, say, me give you AIDS and a 2 man you ever fuck with. And thing. And when me get your file say something different. So, we soon go down there, so. Wanna stay tuned for that one there. I tell you, my life is a fucking open book. That boy you know have none to hide. And you see, if me did even have AIDS and me give you AIDS, me entitled to give anything, cause me blood clot carry come here. Yeah. Me carry come here. And that. But we're not about to drift too much, or we're not about to put too much ignorance in it. Because after tonight, me I tell you, there will be no more you talking about you, whatever and thing, and whatever. And that. I'm going to show you where you stay. I come home from work Tuesday. And the house smell of smoke. And I pull the door and I put on my shoes. I smell, I sniff. And you turn and said to me, say, I don't know up on the floor, the 13th floor. Somewhere up on the 13th floor did a burn down. And I tell the people, the way the smoke overpowering. I say, then somewhere up on the 13th floor burn down and the smoke linger in the living room, so I come in the room and interplay with me emotionally. I say, no man, then. So my day at work, nobody no call me tell me say one apartment on the building that burned down. Anyways, I stay so bam, I call my auntie and say, oh, you know tell me say somewhere upon the building that burned down today. The lady turned to me and say, somewhere upon the building that burned down today. The individual not tell me say him find one pot with a rat in it and maggot and him have to throw it away. You hear them people hear the story, you know. They don't know me now. Me I say pot with a rat and maggot in it. I know say I lie that. By this now, my dad know me a pencil out and me a query it and me a say no man. Pot and rat with maggot in it and ting. The smoke the smoke a kill me. But they talk and me a talk to her. Me a say no man, I have to pinpoint and say what a smoke you think, why the smoke linger in the living room. So I smell the oven, I check the stove and on the stove and on the oven. Me I work off of what you say. You say me say the 13th, for some upon the 13th floor that burn down. I go outside, I look outside, I look, I say, I don't see no debris, I don't see no fire, not no this, that. My mind I tell myself to go up on 13th floor, go knock out the people, them and something they say, oh, which apartment really abundant. Because this minute, I know say I lie I tell, but I want to prove myself right or wrong to see if a dementia I have. Alright, I stay so bam. Find out now the pot where you say the pot where you say the rat in and the maggot in you throw it away. You throw away the pot there. I go downstairs at the garage where the pot supposed to be in the bin, no pot. I come up back me and say, so where the pot could have there? When I look, the pot there in one next storage place where garbage keep. In the summer, see the pot in one garbage bin. When I open the pot, inside black, outside black. So you cook peas, burn out the peas, left go one doctor appointment with the people them house, a smoke up. Neighbor come on at the door, nobody not there. We call it housemeister come on at the door, nobody not there. But you're there appointment and the whole place a smoke down. Alright. I come home, me talk about it, me ignorant the whole time. Up till yesterday, me ignorant about it. And me I say something like that, why you tell me that lie there? As I come in and greet me. From banana, I know where in so a 13th floor did a burn down. And you know deep in yourself so the 13th floor burn down, but because they lie, cannot just know you lie, you know. Remember say a long time I know say you lie. And from Jamaica, me I put up with a lie. But true me the sorry for you when time you say, Andrew do this, Andrew blood clot do that, and thing. But decide say, me gonna use my hard working money and help you, and thing. And you know, that is why it hurt me, but it not hurt me so much, because I never put in my all night and so, and thing, yeah. By the way, in Beavericks, I not even want to say that. And thing, may I tell you, remember say a quick action do this. Andrew, this is his story. Yeah man, him talk so negative of Andrew, and then behind my back, I man Andrew in a phone and thing. I remember say last week, you know, you leave your head careless again. And Andrew there Canada say, and Andrew willing to make the sacrifice here Canada. For you come to Canada. I say, why not go Andrew and thing? Because here, when you know somebody mine and know how them giddy headed and them they run you, them not motivate you, them not happy for you and thing, it becomes such a norm to your way. You tell yourself, say, fuck it. If this work, it work. And that me, they tell my fucking self. That's why I reached me yesterday to today. And so, I tell myself, say, I'm glad it happened. That's me can learn. Because if things that I'm after you, you know, learn after your own mistake. Me go show you ungrateful and you go like say, you pussy you can't stand me no day no time. And that me I tell you. You can't stand me no day no time. Cause you see that boy here, Fambo, I can't tell about me. Me can't tell about me before you talk about me. Me fucky, my all about. If me Fambo blessed have AIDS, me that tell it to the 515 people them know. But me have AIDS, but it's under blood clot control because a whole heap of people don't know when the HIV positive and you doctor diagnose and you take the pill, you cannot transfer that shit to nobody and thing. So that's the one thing there now, cause I got a reason with the under blood clot part there. But other day I get my work permit. Like 3 months ago, I get my work permit. For sure, you don't want nothing out of life. You want easy life. Because you feel, say, what I tell you the mentality where you come America with. You feel, say, when time they send for you come America, you feel, say, you don't come in a name clothes, name shoes, name bag, name this, name that, pussy all. You have to get up and blood clot work. Work hard like how me work hard to make it possible. And I that I believe in her. My non send for no blood clot boy if you come live off of my yard up. You have to get up and you have to work and you have to help. That I believe in her. So when you get comfortable and you get complacent and you feel like say your style fanboy, you not style me your style yourself. Because at the end of the day, you meet me independent and you leave your blood clot independent. You meet me independent and you leave me independent. And yesterday when time I get locked up and gone, you pack and you pack and pack. But you forgot say, you not pack your 2 shoes them. You pack every blood clot cologne, you pack every body wash, and you just a pack and you just pack and a pack. And thing. But look, that is materialistic things. But you need them. You need them. Yeah. You need them. You deserve them. anything you pack and pack until they overpack, you deserve them, you need them. Because remember say, you's a just come individual. You're new to this, while I'm true to this. Yeah, so back before I get my work permit 3 months ago and thing. I get my work permit. My friend invited me on Tuesday, get together. And also I come home from the Tuesday get together, your thing there. You take off your jacket. You're not even take off your pants good. And fanboy, you know you're not look out for the best of my interests. I say to you say, and if me a lie, right under the live and say lie. I not tell lie, I not do that, I talk my truth. I say to you say, oh you mean I not look out for the best of your interest when time I left all my way and got queens, I want agents who I know we do under table. We take on people for work under table. And I get one local work for one bakery. And because you're daft, like that for the blood clot duck, and you lose the local work. Cause you want to stay home and you want to watch Fambo. Who Fambo they the fuck? Where Fambo they go? Fambo I go work, Fambo I go blood clot mind you. But lucky you know that Fambo is smarter than fucking you. And Fambo a teacher, a teach me have you on you a teacher. So you know go around from yard to yard, Batman yard to yard, so them take liberty of you in a foreign or whatever and thing, but I care zero about that no more. More you run because if you don't run till they buck your blood clot too, you're not going to learn. Anyways, you come, you say from now look out for the best of your interest. I say to you, say, me get a work for you what day and thing. What more you want me to do for you, you lose the fucking work. Right? You come back again in the same shit of time. But I truth fanboy, you not look out for the best of my interest. If my mother dead now, I fuck me, I for go sell. That is your words what you said to me. You see when you said that to me, from that time when you said that to me, and so, it's like no feelings, the look of feelings what they did, it just numb. It just numb. You say if your mother dead now, fuck you for yourself. That is all low you could have went thing. Just through you say work permit, just through you say social and thing. I'ma say to you say, what kind of bad mind thought that? You just come. You just come. You not wait a turn. I not pressure you for rent. I not pressure you for food. I not think that I not ask you for nothing. Every 2 weeks, me go grocery shopping. If I go one store and so I say where you want, I tell her, I give you the car, I tell her to buy where you want and thing. Might be not enough according to how you want it. If you go buy the things them with name or whatever and thing, but I offer what I can offer. And I now go out of the way, go sell no more fuck, cause that is something I put aside when time I live in Germany. I sell that not even as a hobby. I sell that to take me out of captivity when time I did on my lowest and I could call upon nobody and thing for feed myself and for feed my mama where they are prison. But your eye red and your eye tall and thing. That is why you had was to do what you did yesterday, because you have your plans. And anybody will influence you and motivate you, I want them continue on the same part, and I want you keep the same energy. I wish for you nothing I wish for you nothing but the best in America. Here? And if him go live, people, and talk with him not for talk, not even talk with him not for talk anything like him and bring me down, only just text it on there so. And then we just root it up and we just root it and just kill it all and done. I totally understand the situation. No, it's just the truth. I mean, like, I don't feel nowhere. The move out and stuff. Because me the see it coming, I'm been a tell him say, go